Well, here's my new heating and cooling system. It's a Daikin. It's a 4-port unit. I'm only using 3 ports right now. I can hook one up and put one into the garage. I can heat the garage for the winter for a fraction of the cost. Now, the unit's sitting outside underneath my deck. I have 2 sets of lines going up through the deck. I'll show you those. 1 set of lines goes into the house. This is all covered with cedar to match my siding. I'll show you the one in the house. This is where the furnace used to be. That's gone. I have a nice closet now I can utilize. I have the 1 set of lines coming in to the downstairs foyer. There it sits. It's a 1-ton unit. Didn't need it that large. Don't even need that for cooling down here. It stays cool, but I wanted to make sure that I have enough heating. So that's that. And when I go upstairs, here's a 1-ton unit here, sitting over the French doors. Get a better view. It's on right now. It's on automatic. You really can't even hear it. There's a quiet setting for nighttime. I also have one in the bedroom. It's a large bedroom. There again, it's a 1-ton. Really didn't need the 1-ton, but for heating, I wanted to make sure I had enough. So that's over to the left of the French doors in the bedroom. To show you the outside, how it's all set up. Those lines come up outside, all encased in cedar. It matches the house, goes through the walls, and that's it. Great system, super efficient, never relying on gas or oil. Just takes electric, a 220 line, 20 amp service. I'll let you know how the bills are. But I was told you can't beat them. Thank you.